Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Grand National Roadster Show at the Fairplex in Pomona. We're set up in Building 6, and be sure to come on down and check us out. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here. It's just an amazing day. The crowd is just starting to come in. We've been here just kind of visiting with people, talking Trifive, showing off stuff. Well, make sure you come on by and pick up one of our new calendars. Say hello to us, talk some Trifive. We got our friends from Dakota Digital here helping us out. We've got some stuff on display. We've got the Week to Wicked 55 here. You can see over my shoulder here. And just come out and check that out. Just in a beautiful build that we did with the guys over at CPP. And also be sure to pick up your coupon. We do have a show special coupon that's good for 15% off for the first week. That's till February 1st. 15% off your purchase. So if you got some big purchase you want to make sure that now's the time to do it. Also, and after that first, it becomes a 5% discount. So act fast and come on down and pick that up. Also, pick up your entry form for the Western Invasion. This is the American Trifive Association Western Invasion show. That's a Trifive only show. That's going to be out in Bakersfield Raceway. And that's on May 1st and May 2nd. So come on down, say hello, let's talk some Trifive and see some beautiful cars. And it's a beautiful day. Come on down to Danchuk. Thank you.